Up, Joe. Come on.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, south central Kent County and central Delaware until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bridgetto, or 13 miles northwest of Georgetown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Milford, Milton, Bridgetto, Ellendale, Andrewsville, Greenwood, and Farmington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Come on. Get this trunk up.